Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fix a golf swing. Grip the club with a neutral hold and set your feet shoulder width apart. Square your shoulders to the target line and check ball position for the club you selected. Maintain a slight knee flex and a stable spine angle throughout the motion to avoid early extension. Focus on smooth rhythm and small adjustments until the setup feels repeatable and comfortable. Start the backswing with a controlled rotation of hips and shoulders, keeping the club on plane and connected to your body. Avoid lifting the hands too quickly or flipping the wrists, which kills consistency and power. Use a smooth tempo and stop at a comfortable top that lets you reverse the motion without rushing. Practice slow mirror reps to ingrain the path, then gradually add speed while keeping the same positions and rhythm. Start the downswing by shifting your weight toward the target and letting the hips lead the rotation, which promotes proper sequencing. Keep your wrists from flipping by maintaining lag and allowing a natural release through impact for crisp ball-first strikes. Focus on a steady head position and a firm lower body to stabilize the strike zone. Finish with a balanced follow-through so you can assess alignment, rhythm, and shot quality after each swing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.